Hello student, welcome back in integral classes. Today we are going to start exercise 3.2. Student, this exercise very easy and it is also a scoring. Now I will do here only selected questions which are difficult. So rest of question you have to do yourself. So student, question number 1 is given. We have A equal to a matrix. We have given 3 matrix 2, 4, 3, 2. Now 3 matrices are given in question number 1. I will do here third part of this question number 1. So now how can we will do here? First we will put here 3. It is a scalar and add a matrix 2, 4, 3, 2. Minus C. C is what? Minus 2, 5, 3, 2. Now, first we will multiply a matrix by 3. All element we will multiply by 3. So, it will be become 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6. Minus 2, 5, 3, 2. Now we will subtract them. So how can we will subtract? 6 minus plus 6 plus 2 8, 12 minus 5 7, 9 minus 6, minus sign multiply by minus 2, it will be become positive. 6 plus 2 8, 12 minus 5 7, 8 minus 3 6 and 6 minus 2 4. It is the answer. So student, as you observe here, this exercise is very easily. We can do every question of this exercise without any difficulty. Now I will explain here next question. Now question number second part of question number second. It is little bit different. So I will explain this question. Now we will add firstly both matrices. Then corresponding element we will add here. A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square 2AB plus B square. We can write here like this. Now we will add them. B square plus C square plus 2BC plus C square. Again A square minus 2AC plus C square. A square plus minus 2AB plus B square. Now student, as we observe here, it will be become the algebraic identity A plus B whole square, and this one is A minus B whole square. So we should write here A plus B whole square and B plus C whole square, A minus C whole square and A minus B whole square. So it is the answer. Now question number 4. Student, again we will add both matrices and corresponding elements are we will add here. So it will be become cos square x plus sin square x. So sin square x plus cos square x, and it will be also sin square x plus cos square x, and this one also if we will add them, sin square x cos square x, and again we will get sin square x plus cos square x. So student, we know that what is the formula of trigonometric formula? This is apply here. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So we will replace all of them here 1. So it is a what? It is a, I get the result. The answer is here. Now question number 3, compute the integral products. Now as we observe here, we have given two matrices. One of them have 3 cross 2 order and second have 2 cross 3. It means rows column of first row are same to rows of second matrix. So now we can multiply. We know that if we have given two matrices Aij m into n and Bij n into s, then we will get students, suppose Cij, which have matrices are m into s. It means if we will get resultant matrix, then the order of that matrix we will get 3 cross 3. So how can we will see? Let me I explain here. First row of first matrix is multiplied by first column of second row. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into minus 1. Again we will multiply first row by second column. 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 2, 2. Again first row multiply by third column. 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 1, 1. Now first row is completed here. Now we will multiply here second row. Second row from first column. 3 into 1, 3, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Again second row, second column. 3 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, 4. Again second row, third column. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 into 1, 2. So second row is also completed. Now third row. Third row multiply again. First column minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 0, 0 plus 1 into 2, 2. Again minus 1 into 1. Third column minus 1 plus 1 into 1. Now we will solve them. Each element 2 minus 1, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 2, 1, 0 plus 4, 4, 3 plus 2, 5 and minus 1, minus 2, 2 and 0. Student, how many row are here? 1, 2, 3. And how many column? 1, 2, 3. So now student, resultant matrix have 3 cross 3 order. It is the answer of this question. Now question number 6 of 6 part of question number 3. We have given again two matrices here which have different order. First matrix have order is 2 cross 3 and second matrix have 3 cross 2. It means these are same. Now the student we will get resultant is 2 order 2. It means which matrix we will get here, it have 2 cross 2 order. Let's see how can we will multiply. Again first row multiply by first column, then 3 into 2, 6, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 3 into 3 plus 9. Again first row multiply by second column, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus 1 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3. Now we will multiply second row by first column, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 0 into 1, 0 and 2 into 3, 6. Now second row, second column, minus 1 into minus 3, 3, 0 into 0 plus 0, 2 into 1 plus 2. So now we will get resultant are 9 plus 6, 15, 15 minus 1, 14. Minus 9 plus 3, minus 6, minus 2 plus 6, 4, 3 plus 2, 5. So now resultant matrix have order 2 cross 2. Question number 5th. Again we have given in this question 2 matrices and compute the value of this. So now student, first we will write here 3 matrix A, value of matrix A, 1, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, and minus 5, B is given 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 upon 5 and 2 by 5 here. Now student, if you want to do 1 by 3 common of this bracket outside, and if you want to multiply 3 inside of a bracket, if any scalar value of outside of a matrix, then it will be multiplied each element of this bracket. As we know that in my previous video I have explained there that thing. So how can we will multiply here? Let's see. First we will multiply. So 3 into 2 by 3. 3 is cancelled. So it will become 2. 3 into 1, 3. Again 3 into 5 by 3. 3 is cancelled. 5. Again 3 into 1 by 3. 1. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 again cancelled. Remaining is 2. And here is 4. 3 into 7 by 3, 7. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2 by 3. Now we will get here. Second, again we will this scalar 5 constant value we will multiply again inside of a matrices. So it will become what? 2, 3, 5 1 ja 5. Again 1, 2, 4, 7, 6, 5. If you want to apply second method, then you have to take outside here 1 by 5 and 1 by 3. Then they are cancelled to each other. Now we will subtract these two matrices, then get the resultant is 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 3. As we observe here, these two matrices are equal. So we will get here 0 matrix. It is very easy question. All elements of these two matrices are same as we observe here. So if we will subtract here corresponding element from other element, then we will get 0. So it is the answer of this question. Question number 6. We will find the value of this. Simplify here. So first student, we will multiply here cos theta by each element of this matrix. Similarly, sin theta also multiply by every element of this matrix. So now we will get here cos square theta, cos theta, sin theta minus sin theta, cos theta and cos square theta plus. Similarly, we will multiply here sin theta also, sin square theta minus sin theta, cos theta, then sin theta, cos theta and sin square theta. Now in second step student, we will add them these two matrices. Corresponding elements are 8. So how can we will add them? cos square theta plus sin square theta. So we should write here sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Again minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Again add them, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So student, as we observe, this term is cancelled, this is also cancelled. Now we know that what is the value of this? Yes, it is equal to 1. So we should write here 1. It will be become 0. Here is 0. It will be become 1. So it is the resultant of this question, and we will get identity matrix. Now student, as I told you on starting the video that I will explain only those questions which have little bit difficult. So now we will do here question number 10 of exercise 3.2. Now student, how can we will solve? As we observe here, here is plus sign between these two matrices. So first we will add them and multiply also. It is a scalar property we will apply here. It means 2 is multiply every element of this matrix and 3 is multiply every element of this matrix. Then after we will add them. So it will become 2x, 2z, sorry not plus, 2y and 2t. Plus sign. Here 3 is multiply, 3 minus 3, 0, 6. Equal to, again we will multiply 3 here, 9, 15, 12 and 18. Now question number 30, we have given here fx equal to what? Fx equal to cos x minus sin x 0, 0, 1. Sin x cos x 0, 0. And here student, we have to show here, to show what? Fx, Fy equal to Fx plus y. We have to show this condition. Question number 13, we have given here student, Fx is equals to this matrices, and we will show here Fx equal to Fy equal to Fx plus y. How can we will show here? So I will explain. First we will consider here left hand side. From left hand side, Fx equal to what? So first we will put here the value of cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. Now what is the value of Fy? So in this matrix we will replace x by y. So it will become here cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0 and 0, 0, 1. Now here student, we have given two matrices and here we have to show here multiply of them. So how can we will multiply? First row of first matrix is multiply first column, then second column, then third column. Similarly, second row of first matrix multiply first column, second column, third column. Then finally third row is multiply first row, first column, second column, and third column. How? Let I explain here. Cos x into cos y, cos x into cos y minus sin x sin y, and 0 into 0 0. It is a first element. Now second, again first row multiply by second column minus cos x sin y and minus sin x cos y. Okay, here is 0. Now again it will be multiply, then 0 0 0. So third element is, now first row is completed here. Again second row multiply all of these three columns, sin x into cos y plus cos x sin y and 0 into 0 0. Then again minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y, and last is again 0. Okay, again third row multiply by all of these columns, then it will be become 0 0 into this, 0 into this, 1 into 0 0. Again 0 into this, 0 into this, 0. So it will be 0. And here 0 0 plus 1, it will be become 1. Now student, as we observe here, we will apply here trigonometry formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So it will be become cos x plus y. Now if we will take here minus sign is common, then it will be become, suppose minus sign common and here is plus. So cos A sin y plus sin x cos y. So it will be become sin x plus y. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Minus sign is here, 0 is as it is. Again here sin A x cos y cos x sin y. Again here sin x plus y. Now here is also cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. It means cos x plus y. Here is 0 0 0 1. Now student, we will get these matrices. So student, if we will put here x is replaced here by x plus y in this matrix, then we will get here this matrix. So it will be equal to what? F x plus y, right hand side, it will be proof, hence proof. Now question number 14, we will show that here is AB, suppose it is a matrix, AB is not equal to BA. We will here show. Okay, now so first from left hand side, row multiply by first column then second column. 5 2 ja 10 minus 3 7, 5 1 ja 5 minus 4 1, 6 2 ja 12 plus 21 33, and 6 1 ja 6, 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 6 34. Now other side student, from right hand side. Now other side, we will multiply here again these two matrices, row, first row and first column, then second column. So what we will get? 2 5 ja 10, 1 6 ja 6, 2 10 plus 6 16, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 7 5 3 5 ja 15 4 6 ja 24 24 and 15 will be become 39 minus 3 4 7 ja 28 28 minus 3 25. So student, as we observe, these two matrices are not equal. Now question number 15. Here we have given A equal to this matrix and we will find the value of this equation. A square minus 5A plus 6I. Now student, first we will find the value of A square. A square, how can we will explain? A into A. It means matrix A multiplied by itself by matrix A. So now how can, let's see, first row, first column, then again first row, second column, first row, third column. 2 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, again first row, second column, 2 into 0, 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. For third column student, so again, now again first row, third column, 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0. Now second row multiply all of these three columns similarly. How can? 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Again second column, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Again second row, third column, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. So second row also completed here. Now for third row, 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Now second column, 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. Now for third column, 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3 and plus 0 into 0. So now get the value of this A square for solving this matrix. 4 plus 1 5, 0 0, minus 1 2, 2 2 4, 4 2 6, 6 or 3 9. So now I will solve them, then already written there we will get this matrix. It is the value of A square equal to A square. Now we will put here this equation, A square minus 5A plus 6I. So it will be become 9, sorry. Okay, now put the value A square here. 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5 and 0 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 5, value of A here same, 2 0 1, 2 1 3, 1 minus 1 0 plus 6 I. Student, we will write here 3 cross 3 square matrix because A is given also. What is the order of A? 3 cross 3. So we should write here 3 cross 3 identity matrix here, sorry. Okay, now we will solve these three matrices and get the answer. Let me I explain. 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10, it means minus 5 plus 6. It means 1. Minus 1, 0 and 0. It will be become minus 1. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 minus 3 because it will be 0. 9 minus 10. 9 minus 10 minus 1. It will be 0 because minus 2 minus 5 minus 7 and plus 6. 6 1 is 6. Then minus 1. 5 minus k 15 minus k 10 and 0. So here is only minus 10. Next 0 minus 5. Minus 5 as it is because this element is also 0. Next minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 plus 4. Minus 2 it will be 0 and plus 6. Then get 4. It is the answer of the. Yes student, so we will get the answer of this equation. It is very easy that you have to see in here. So try to do yourself also remaining question. Now student, question number 17, we have given matrix A and I identity matrix, and how can we will find the value of k? Then the equation is given a square equal to k minus 2i. So student, firstly we will find out here the value of a square. A square equal to what? A into a. It means we will multiply a by itself. Two matrices are multiplied as we have done in question number 15. So first row, first column, 3 3 is 9, 2 4 is 8, 9 minus 8, 1, 3 2 is minus 6, 2 2 is 4. Sorry, 3 2 is minus 6 and 4. Then it will be become minus 2. Okay, 4 3 is 12 and 2 4 is minus 8. Then 4 2 is minus 8 and 4 minus 4. Now we have to write here this equation a square k minus 2i. Now put the value a square, a and 2i. Now I will transport this side here, then it will be become 1 2 4 minus 4 and multiply by 2. So it will be become, edit here 2 0 0 2 equal to same here as it is 3. Rest of terms are same. Now we will solve here 1 plus 2. It will be become 3. 2 plus 0 2. 4 plus 0 4. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 equal to other side same as we given minus 2 4 minus 2. Here is 1 minute 2 plus 0. It will be 2 or minus. Sorry, here is minus 2. So here is also minus 2. Now as you observe here, these two matrices are equal. So student, if we will put here k equal to 1, which is a scalar now, then we will get both sides are equal. So 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. So what is the value of k? K equal to 1 we will get here. Student, if you want to do, then you have to transport to other side, then put the value of the matrices and solve, then we will get same result here. Now question number 18. A matrix is given 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 0, and I is given 1 0 0 1. Now student, we have to show these are equal. So student, first I will consider here right hand side. From we will start here from right hand side. I equal to what? I equal to here 1 0 0 1. A equal to what? A is minus a 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 0. Okay, and same rest of matrix are same here. We have to write. Okay student, so first we will subtract both matrix, then we will get 1. It will be become positive 10 alpha by 2 minus 10 alpha by 2 0 minus this and 1 minus here, and this is similar same here. We have to write sin alpha and cos alpha. Now we will multiply here same first row first column, then first row second column. 1 into cos alpha plus sin alpha 10 alpha by 2. Again first row second column minus sin alpha, then plus cos alpha 10 alpha by 2. Again second row first column minus cos alpha 10 alpha by 2 plus sin alpha. Again minus minus plus sin alpha 10 alpha by 2 plus cos alpha. Now in next step we will write 10 alpha by 2 equal to sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Then we will take LCM also. So we will get the here 10 alpha by 2 equal to sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. So cos alpha by 2 multiply by cos alpha. Cos alpha and cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Similarly again we have to write sin alpha upon cos alpha, and cos alpha by 2 multiply by this. Then we will write here cos alpha sin alpha by 2 minus sin alpha cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Again in third terms 10 alpha by 2 is equal to sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2, and take LCM. Then cos alpha sin alpha by 2 plus sin alpha and cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Again 10 alpha by 2 right here, sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. So it will be become again sin alpha by 2 plus cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Here student we will get here. Now student, as we observe here, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. It is the formula of cos A minus B. A is alpha and B is alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2 as it is. Similarly this formula is what? Cos A sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So sin A minus B upon cos alpha by 2 here. Then here is also sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So sin alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Again it will be become cos A cos B sin A sin B cos alpha minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Okay student. Now we will get here in next step cos alpha minus alpha by 2. Cos alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2, it will be become 1. Again sin alpha by 2 minus alpha by 2, sin minus alpha by 2, then it will be become minus sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Okay. Now alpha minus alpha by 2, then sin alpha by 2 upon cos alpha by 2. Again here alpha minus alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 equal to 1. So now student we will get 1 minus tan alpha by 2 tan alpha by 2 1. It is the which side? Right hand side. Okay. Now we will solve here left hand side also. Now student we will solve here left hand side. I plus A, I equal to 1001 plus A is here same we have to write. We will add them. It will be become 1 minus tan alpha by 2, 0 plus tan alpha by 2 means it will be a positive and 1. So student it will be a left hand side. Now as we observe here these two sides are equal, so we have to write here left hand side equal to right hand side. So hence proved. It is very nice question student. Try to do yourself also. Question number 19. In question number 19 student we have given a trust fund has 30,000 invested in two different types. In first type bond pays 5% and second type bond pays 7%. Now here we have to find out the using here matrix multiplication, and 30,000 is divided into two types of bond. If the trust fund must obtain an annual total interest 18,000. So student first we will let first invest B X, then second invest B 30,000 minus X, because we have given it is a total fund, Now we have to write here in a matrix form. So how can we will write? It is a X first, then 30,000 minus X, it is a second. Now here invest is given in a different types of bond are also given. First is 5 upon 100 and second is 7 upon 100. Now first condition is given 1800. So we have to write here 1800 in a equally. Now we will solve them. Multiply both matrix. 5x upon 100 plus 7 upon 100, 30,000 minus x equal to 1800. Now we will take LCM 100 and it goes to other side. Then 5x plus 7 3 ja 21 40 minus 7x equal to here also 40. Now we will find the value of x. Minus 7x plus 5x minus 2x equal to, it will be become minus 30,000. Then here is x, minus cancel, x is equals to 15,000. It is the answer of x. Now secondly, again if you want to write here second interest is 2000. So you should write here 2000 and apply here same process, then you will get the answer. So now x is equals to 5000. First invest 15,000 and second invest is also same here. First and second both are same, because we have given total is 30,000, so we will subtract here and get the value. Sorry, here is 3. Second also 15,000. Now in question number 20, student, the bookshop of a particular school has 10 dozen chemistry book, 8 dozen physics books and 10 dozen economics books. Their selling price is 80, 60, 40 each respectively, and find the total amount of the book will receive from the selling. So student, as we know that here is question number 20. Now here is given 10 dozen book. It means 10 dozen, 1 dozen equal to 12, 12 into 10, 120 of chemistry, and 12 8 ja 96 of physics, and 12 10 ja again 120 of economy. Now their say cost price is given, selling price is given 80 rupees, 60 rupees and 40 rupees. Now we will find the total value of, so we will multiply both matrices here, then so we will get 120 into 18, 12 8 ja 96, 00, 96 into 6, so we will get 5760, 12 4 ja 48, 00. So now we will add them and get the answer 20160 is the total cost of this types of book will bookshopper receive. Now student, we have to assume here in this question given x is a matrix which have order 2 cross n, y have order 3 cross k, z 2 cross p, w n cross 3 and p cross k. Now how can we will find the value of this? What will be condition we will apply here? So student, as we observe here, p equal to what? P have order p into k, and y, how many order? Y have 3 into k. Okay, and w have n into 3, and y have again 3 y 3 into 3. So student, as we know that when these two matrices are multiplied, because these order are same, it means column of first matrix is same of rows of second matrix. So if k equal to 3, then they are multiplied to each other. Again here 3 is common. Okay, but here second condition is how can we will add them. So if we will multiply here, then it will be become py, which we will get new matrix p into k. Okay, now here is multiply, then we will get new matrix n into k, because 3 is common. So as we observe here, when these two matrices have same order, we will add them. So what other condition is? N equal to p. So these two conditions are follow here. If n equal to p and k equal to 3, then we will solve here this equation. So option A is correct here. Now in question number 22, we have given this equation. So student, 7 x have order 2 into n and Z have order is 2 into P. So when we will solve them, how can we will solve them here? If we will get here the condition is given n equal to P. N equal to P. So we have to write here, suppose n equal to P. Now student, question arises here, when these two are simplified. So if here we will replace here P by A, then we can simplify easily. So what will be the order? Here it will be become, suppose not n, it will be P, and we have to replace here P. Doesn't matter. So which order we will get? Here 2 into P. So answer is 2 into P or 2 into n also. We will say these two answers are correct. Which one? If you want in a MCQ question, do it correct. Now student, exercise 3.2 is very easy. We have done today here only. In next video we have discussed their basic concept of exercise 3.3. If you have any problem, any query, then you can do in comment box. Thank you for watching video.